How you guys doing? I got some new smoke alarms and carbon monoxide detectors. So when I put this up there, it's gonna make it's gonna say a few words. It's gonna say fire after I push the test button. It'll say push the test button when I put it up on the wall and mount it. And this is the test button, and it'll say uh, fire, and then it'll say carbon monoxide. It'll beep, and then it'll stop. But that's just what it says before when it's setting up. You know, so don't use that as claiming that there's carbon monoxide in here or fire in here based on the preset message that it says when you're first installing it. In case anybody's trying to play tricks. But I'm supposed to be at my mother and father's mansions. Everybody knows that. And I bought these in reference to the satellite man burning my face and teeth too. I'm supposed to be an honorary fireman too in reference to certain fire stations. My father owned some fire stations, didn't he? Or my mother and grandfather, and grandparents, in reference to my biological family history. It's important. But like I said, it's gonna make it's gonna say fire, and then it's gonna say carbon monoxide, and it's gonna beep, 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 or something like that. I just installed one earlier. I'll tell you, I installed this one right here.
See? So, in reference to information, so when I install this right here, let me see. Like this. Something like that. Hang on, let me see.
Push test button. Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
And, nope. So it's set, I just now set it and it says fire and then carbon monoxide and, and it's set. So, it's hard to see, but. So just general information on that.